When the cool-on indicator on a Honeywell thermostat begins to blink, it typically signifies that the device is in delay mode, a safety feature designed to prevent short cycling during the power-up process. However, if this blinking persists for more than 5 minutes, it may indicate a problem with the air conditioning system, requiring troubleshooting to identify and resolve the issue. Common causes of this occurrence include low or damaged batteries, clogged air filters, dirty AC coils, incorrect thermostat settings, or technical issues with the device. To address the problem, potential solutions include replacing the battery, inspecting it for damage, and ensuring that the battery is not running low. Additionally, replacing the air filters by switching off the device, removing the used filter, and installing a new one is recommended, as air filters should be changed at least every 90 days for optimal performance. Cleaning the AC coils is also necessary, which involves turning off the device, using a brush to remove debris from the external unit, spraying the coils with water, and applying a coil cleaner before rinsing and closing the access panel. Furthermore, adjusting the device's settings, such as ensuring the setup mode is turned off, checking the clock, and navigating through the settings using the set button and arrows, can also help resolve the issue. If necessary, consulting the manual can provide further guidance. As a last resort, resetting the thermostat by pressing the reset button can erase all previous settings and potentially resolve the problem.